Getting ready for a night full of hydrojetting. Get all these grease lines cleared out at Chick-fil-A. Make sure they're running smooth with no business interruptions for backed up drains. Alright, let's try to get a good look at this line before I jet it. That's just full of crud and buildup. It's kind of hard to see. But I mean, the walls of the pipe are black and they shouldn't be. That's a lot of grease and grime and debris buildup. So I'll jet that, we'll see what it looks like. Okay, and here is after jetting, and it is clean white pipe now. Doesn't get much cleaner than that.